Welcome! You might find yourself here because you are about to start a research project assigned to you by your teacher. I'm going to tell you the 4 major steps on how to research and why we do it. So let's go ahead and get started. Your first step is to choose a topic. Your topic can be a bunch of stuff. Your topic could be a person, a place, a thing, an event, a method, a strategy, a condition. Pretty much anything that is a noun and you can do a research paper on can be your topic. Your topic is a broad subject that can be broken apart into smaller subjects. We will talk more about that in a separate video, but for now, those are topics that your teacher might have assigned you so far. Remember, you can research just about anything you want as long as you're focused on one topic. Your reader can get confused if you get off topic and distracted in your research, since it will show up in your writing later as a result. So focus on one topic. Your next step is to search for information. And there's a whole lot of information on the internet. There is information in an encyclopedia, online journals, videos, interviews, newspaper, magazines, and many, many more. Those are just the main ones. And you need to make sure to write down the places where you found your information, whether it's a website, the title to the magazine. If you're here researching as an elementary schooler, you are not required to do MLA or APA or Chicago Turbine format, but you need to make sure that you at least write a list of where you found your resources. Unless you have a doctorate degree and you're considered an expert in your field, people need to know where you got your information from so you can make sure that you are credible and scholarly. So now we need to organize our information. That's our third step in the research process. Before researching, you could break up your topic into main ideas and add information accordingly. So you could add headings. You could color code your bulleted research at the very end so you know where you're adding certain pieces of information to certain paragraphs, and it could tell you to go back and do some more research if you don't have enough information. You could also write your research on note cards so you can move your ideas around to flow with your finished paper. And you always, no matter what strategy you use, need to write your resource next to each bullet point so you don't get accused of being a copycat. Y'all, plagiarism is no joke. You need to make sure that you're not being that guy or that girl. Being a copycat, a plagiarist, a pirate is not tolerated in the academic community. So make sure that you are writing your sources. Otherwise, somebody might think that you're being a copycat. So make sure that you're writing down your sources after each bullet point. That will help you later on in your research paper because you're going to be required to list your resources at the very end. Your last step is it's time to present. You could present in a bunch of different ways. You could present in a poster, a paper, a Word document, a PowerPoint, a sway, a Flipgrid, a discussion post, a video. All of those are ways that you can present. Make sure that you are looking at the rubric and asking your teacher which format they want you to present in, because if they want a paper and you give them a sway, they might take off some major points for that. So make sure that you ask your teacher what to present, and good luck in your research process.